Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Welcome to the hotel facility. How may I help you?
I would like to make a room reservation.
Uh, can I have your name, ma'am?
My name is Justin J. Rabi.
Rabi. Okay, we have here four categories of room. What room do you want, ma'am?
I would like to get superior room.
Superior room. Okay. For how many nights, ma'am?
For 6 months.
6 nights. For how many packs?
For one person only.
One person. Okay. Okay. May I know uh, the exact arrival?
May 6.
Okay.
May 10. May 10.
May 10. Okay. May 10. Okay. Your home address?
It's Sidlakan.
Sidlakan. Um,
Cebu City.
your contact number, ma'am?
0920 78
78
62
62
103.
103. Okay. Do you have any company?
No.
Okay. Do you have any contact person, ma'am?
No.
Okay. Um, um, do you want do you want the how would do you want to deposit mo
I would like to pay for 2 nights only.
for 2 nights only? Okay. How would you like to pay, ma'am?
I would pay in credit card.
Credit card. Okay, may I have your credit card, ma'am? Thank you.
Hudiga, Alona, Miss Hudiga,
For 6
Simpson,
nights.
Luis Orla, Simpson,
Is that the one you're looking for?
Tejano,